Okay, something really cool that I saw today before doing my portfolio update. If you guys are Cardano holders and you stake, you know normally you can't stake directly through Ledger. You would have to go to a separate site called ADA Lite, go to Connect Hardware Wallet, plug in your Ledger, connect it through the third-party site to be able to stake it. Now you can do everything right through the Ledger Live app on your computer. I haven't seen it live on my Android phone or my iPad yet. You would either come right here, hit stake, and set up who you want to stake through, and you can actually keep up to date with everything right over here, where it shows the amount you have staked, your current amount of rewards. The only thing I haven't seen yet is a way to claim your rewards, so you might still have to go through whichever site you're staking through. Again, I did ADA Lite, and it looks like everything just works. And I like this a heck of a lot better, so I don't have to go to a third-party site every time to check where my rewards are at. But let me know, guys, did you know that this was something that just recently happened? Let me know your opinion on it. Take care, spike your hair, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.